This tutorial will show how to use the Create CMS app, which will allow you to view employees, roles, departments, including add departments, update employee roles, and add employees, all from the command line. The first thing you're going to want to do, which I won't include in this video to keep the video short, you can refer to the other tutorials that I have, but you're going to want to clone it. Then when you clone it, you're going to want to cd into the folder containing the index.js file, run npmi to get the dependencies, which you'll need these dependencies, but they'll be in the package.json file. That way you'll download all the node modules, and then you can begin using the app. So you should be cd'd into the folder already, and you're going to have to get into Postgres to create your database. So just type these command lines, enter your password, and then you'll enter /i, and then you're in this folder, so you need to cd into your, or get into your DB folder to run the schema SQL, and that'll create your database, and then you'll be in the database. The file automatically puts you in the database, and you will run almost the same path, but the file is called seeds SQL, and this will begin seeding your first, database. So get out of here, and then you're going to run node index.js, and you can begin using the app. So the first thing you'll do is you can choose view all employees, and here are all the employees that were previously seeded that I created. You can add an employee. I'll call this employee first name. I'll just give his last name as this. I will make him a foreman, and his manager will be Alvin. So now if you view all employees, you can tell that the employee has been created with the information that I gave. You can also update his role, or you can update a role from an employee. So I'm going to update Greg Bailey. He was a foreman. He will now be a stocker. So I'll go here to view all roles, or view all employees. And as you can tell, Greg Bailey is now a stocker. The other thing we can do is we can view all roles, which this have been previously seeded, and then you can add a role, and I'll make this role warehouse manager, and you're giving a field for salary, and he's going to be in shipping. So now if you go to view all roles, you can see that the warehouse manager, the salary for the warehouse manager, and the department that he is in has been updated. And then the last things you can do is you can view all departments. And as you can tell, I already have 4 created. If I add a department, I'll call this department sales. Come down here to view all departments, and as you can tell, sales has been added. So this is the functionality for the CMS app using Inquirer to produce and to query the database in the command line.